I've already put my bleach and my fabric softener in here, and you just fill it up until it reaches capacity. You'll know because it'll start to bubble when it's enough. So now I'm gonna just put some clothes in. Okay, so it's a queen sheet in there and clothes. So you can see that it's not even all the way completely filled. And the water starts. A minute. So let me just pause it. Check the water level. Somehow it goes back to 4, but it should be on 8. So you just pause it first and then just move it to 8 and just hit start again, and it'll add more water like that. And that's about it. And it's on the 03 fast cycle, which is about, I think it was like 23 minutes, which is great. That's good. That's it. Oh, and the 21, it looks like it's 6.6, but it's not. It's BB for wash. And that's how many more minutes is left? 21 minutes.